Hi, my name's Scott. Today we are looking at the XP22 Scorpion. This is a dual head gun light. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the package. It comes nicely presented. Kind of reminds you of a Scorpion as well. Your manual and charging cable is underneath. I believe this is some type of plastic. So this is what it looks like, and you mount this on your gun. Dual lights. So you just mount this on your rail. Now, due to policies, we cannot show you guys an actual weapon on here, but we can demonstrate this for you and show you guys how this looks and how it works. So make sure you fully charge it before trying to turn it on with the switch. But it definitely looks really cool. So there's a couple modes. Press and hold it for 5 seconds to enter locking mode. And press and hold 5 seconds again to exit locking mode. So when it's in locking mode, when you press it, it doesn't turn on, which it should come on locking mode. To unlock it, you just press and hold this back switch for 5 seconds or so, and then it will flash and then unlock. So here's the light. Let's go ahead and show you guys at nighttime. So this will give you an idea how bright it is at night. I mean, this is mega bright. This is like a super high powered flashlight. You guys could see clearly. I mean, that's, just to show you, we are using this. How high powered that is. This is probably one of the brightest smaller lights I've ever seen. All right, this is our backyard. I mean, we can see trees far away. Like, look at the trees way out there. This is incredible. You can even see the mist. So it's lightly misting in the light. Look at that. That's how powerful this is. I mean, look at that in the sky. Very incredible.